In this video, I will show you super easy method to write subscript in Excel on Mac. As you can see, I have written this small number 2 in H2O and CO2. First, type what you want. For example, I will type here H2O and CO2. After typing, what you have to do is double click inside the cell. Press Shift on your keyboard and select the number you wish to subscript. Then right tick and you will see here the option Format Cell. You can also use the shortcut Command 1 to open this Format Cell window. And under this window, under the Effects, you will see here the option Subscript. Notice that you will see the preview here. So if we tick on the Subscript, you will see the text is now in subscript mode. Once done, click on OK, and now we have subscripted the number 2. Similarly, we will select the number 2 for CO2 and just type on subscript to make small number. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.